Well, Grandma Linda is back again, and what we're going to do this time is just for a little quick snack for the summertime, homemade ice cream. And it only takes about 5 minutes to make, and I'm going to let you know how to do that. Okay, we're going to start with the ingredients, and we're going to take 1 tablespoon of sugar, and we're going to put it into a little closable bag, just about like this. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. I've already got this poured out. We're going to put that into the closable bag, and then we're going to put 1 cup of milk into the bag. You gotta kind of hang on to the bag so it doesn't go floating across the counter. Don't want that to happen. Now, I'm going to close up the bag, seal it up, kind of get it airtight, kind of, and then we're going to be working from there. So, okay, now next we're going to put 1/3 of a cup of salt into the bag of ice, into this large bag, closable bag. It's about 2/3 full of ice. We're going to put the salt right in here. And then we're going to take our bag of milk and vanilla and sugar that we've already put into the closable bag. We're going to put this into this large bag in with the ice and the salt. And then we're going to close up the bag. And then kind of give it a shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Just shake, shake, shake. And you're probably going to do this for about 2 to 3 minutes maybe. Just kind of depending on how well you shake, shake, shake. And we're going to do this. And we're going to shake it, baby. Just play like you're dancing, doing the shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Do your duty. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your ice cubes. Shake, shake, shake. And do your ice cubes and make it into ice cream. Homemade. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. And we'll show you what happens. Okay. I've been shaking this for 5 minutes. Really, I have. Yes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open up this bag of ice and salt. And we're going to take the smaller enclosed bag out. And this is going to be our ice cream. Now I'm going to, and you can feel the texture. It feels like soft serve almost. I mean, I could put this on a cone. If I had an ice cream cone, I think I would be able to do that, and I'd be in 7th heaven. But I'm just going to put it in a little dish. And I'm just wondering, I don't know for sure, but I like chocolate ice cream too. I don't know if we could put a little cocoa in this sometime. We'll have to try that out sometime. Or maybe you can try it out yourself and then let me know. Let's put a little bit here into my little ice cream dish. Now I'm going to take a little test. This is the first time that I've made this. Again, first timers. And I'm going to put my dish up here, my spoon here. Oh my, this looks good. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yes, and you're going to find that it's going to melt pretty quickly, and it's starting to melt, but oh, I love it. I just love it. I love it. I love it. So now I won't have to ask my family to run down to the store and pick me up some ice cream because I can make it myself, all by myself. I'm so excited. Now, if you want to try this, and I'm sure you will, I want you to try it. But I also want you to maybe let me know. Maybe let me know how you try it. Like, dislike, whatever. I know it's all going to be like. I want you to remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Please, subscribe. Have this for a little summer snack. just heaven. Bye-bye, and you have a good day.